massive. It's funny because when you're coming in from out of town, you can barely see it. And then when you get here, you realize, wow, it's huge. It even goes all the way to that volcano over there. See more housing. And down there it's invisible. You see the Cathedral of Quito. I'll zoom in on it. We're going to go walk around there in a minute.
To honor two early heroes who contributed their ideas regarding independence.
In the central square, downtown Quito. Okay, we're just about to climb to the top. Yes, there we go. How many stairs is it?
I don't know yet.
This is the first level. So it rains in Quito every afternoon, and here it comes. See it in the distance there. Should hit us in about a couple of minutes, I would have thought. See the fear in my eyes, it's real. Not a great one for walking along creaky bridges on top of churches. Very steep staircase. What to go up there next? Going down is tougher.
Next ladder's interesting.
I'm not going up there.
Oh, come on.
Not a chance.
Come on, look at it. Easy.
I have to embarrass myself.
Coming up?
Nope. That's enough for me. Well, I survived those steps. They're utterly terrifying. It's enough heighty things for me today. Back to proper stairs. It helps them pushing, eh?
Yeah.
Just made it. Jesus, that's dangerous though.